Weather patterns can unleash the force of a billion nuclear bombs, leveling entire cities in mere minutes. Weather patterns are the complex and interconnected systems that drive our planet's climate. These patterns are shaped by the delicate balance of atmospheric conditions, including temperature, humidity, and air pressure. They can bring life-giving rain to parched lands, or devastating storms that ravage entire communities. But have you ever stopped to think about the incredible forces at work when a storm system forms? Imagine a swirling vortex of air that can stretch across thousands of miles, bringing heavy rain and powerful winds. This phenomenon occurs when warm, moist air rises from the surface, creating convection currents that drive the storm forward. As the air rises, it cools, and the water vapor in the air condenses into towering cumulonimbus clouds. But that's not the strangest part. These clouds can grow so tall that they can reach the upper levels of the stratosphere. Wait until you hear what comes next. Some storms can even produce tornadoes, which are essentially columns of air that rotate so fast they touch the ground.
And then something unexpected happened. Scientists discovered that some storms can actually modify the Earth's rotation. This is possible because the storm's rotation creates a Coriolis force that interacts with the Earth's rotation, causing the planet's axis to shift slightly.
But what does this mean for us on the ground? Well, for one thing, it means that the storm's effects can be felt far beyond its immediate area of impact. For centuries, scientists have studied the complex relationships between weather patterns and the Earth's climate. And what they've found is that even small changes in these patterns can have a significant impact on our planet's weather. So, let's take a closer look at how weather patterns work and what we can do to mitigate their effects. One of the key factors that drives weather patterns is the Earth's rotation, which creates the Coriolis force that we discussed earlier. But there's another force at work here: the sun's energy, which drives the Earth's climate through a process called solar radiation. As the sun's rays hit the Earth's surface, they warm the air closest to the ground, creating convection currents that drive the weather. That's not the only way the sun also affects the weather.
These systems are created when the sun's radiation heats the air in different ways, causing it to rise or sink and creating areas of high and low pressure.
And then something unexpected happened. Scientists discovered that the sun's radiation can even influence the formation of weather patterns thousands of miles away. This is because the sun's radiation can create ripples in the jet stream, a fast-moving band of air that can influence the weather over vast distances. So, how do we predict the weather with such accuracy? Well, it all starts with a network of weather stations and satellites that monitor the Earth's climate in real time. These stations and satellites provide critical data that helps meteorologists forecast the weather with incredible accuracy. But that's not all. Scientists are also using advanced computer models to simulate the behavior of the Earth's climate and predict the weather with even greater accuracy. These models are based on complex algorithms that take into account a wide range of factors, from the Earth's rotation to the sun's radiation. And what they've found is that even small changes in these factors can have a significant impact on the weather. So, what can we do to mitigate the effects of extreme weather events? Well, for one thing, we can build more resilient infrastructure that can withstand the forces of nature. We can also take steps to reduce our carbon footprint and slow the rate of climate change. And finally, we can stay informed about the weather through regular updates and forecasts. The next time a storm system forms, remember the incredible forces at work and the impact they can have on our communities. Subscribe for more incredible stories about the weather and the science behind it. Like and comment below with your thoughts on the weather and its impact on our daily lives. And don't forget to check out our other videos on the topic of weather and climate change. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.